Welcome back to Smart Drive Hub, the place where real drivers, real riders, and real machine lovers come to stay updated with the hottest releases from around the world. If you love cars, bikes, scooters, tech, power, design, and performance, then you're already in the right spot. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every single day we bring you the coolest walkarounds, honest breakdowns, and updates from the global auto industry. Alright guys, let's jump straight into today's next-gen machine. Today we're checking out the 2026 Yamaha NMax TURBO 155, the scooter that's making serious noise because Yamaha just took the NMax lineup to another level. And yes, it's being marketed as turbo, but the real story is even more interesting. So let's break down everything step by step. Starting with the design, the 2026 NMax TURBO gets a sharper, more futuristic front face. You've got full LED dual projector headlights that give it a premium Maxi scooter identity. The body panels flow cleanly from front to rear with that signature aerodynamic Yamaha styling, and the overall stance feels sportier and much more muscular compared to the older NMax models. At the back, the redesigned LED taillight gives it a modern, wider look, making it stand out on the road both day and night. Now let's talk about the engine because that's what everyone wants to know. Yamaha is using its well-known 155 cubic centimeters blue core engine with variable valve actuation, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, and super efficient. But here's where it gets exciting. In the 2026 model, Yamaha added their brand new YCT electronic transmission. That's what they call turbo mode. It's not an actual turbocharger, but it gives the scooter quicker response, stronger acceleration, and a more controlled ride feel, and it doesn't stop there. Yamaha added two ride modes: T mode for city comfort and S mode for sporty performance. Plus, there's the special Y-shift, which is basically a manual downshift style boost button. So whenever you need instant acceleration for overtaking or climbing, you just tap the button and boom, the scooter responds immediately. It's the closest thing to riding a sporty automatic scooter with manual control. Let's move to technology. The 2026 NMax TURBO comes with a 4.2-inch full-color TFT display, super crisp and modern. You get Bluetooth connectivity, call and SMS alerts, and depending on the region, even navigation support. Yamaha also added a smart key system, so you get keyless start, keyless lock, and enhanced security features. The scooter also includes USB charging, essential for daily riders. On the safety side, Yamaha is giving you dual-channel ABS, traction control, front and rear disc brakes, and a very stable suspension system, telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. Whether you're riding on rough streets, smooth highways, or weaving through busy city traffic, this scooter handles everything confidently. Comfort is another highlight. It gets a 770mm seat height, making it easy for a wide range of riders. The underseat storage is spacious enough for a helmet or everyday essentials, and the riding position is relaxed with plenty of legroom. For long rides or daily commuting, the NMax TURBO is built to keep you comfortable without fatigue. Fuel tank capacity sits around 7 liters, and with the efficient blue core engine, you can expect strong mileage. The weight is roughly 135 kilograms, which feels balanced and planted on the road without feeling heavy to maneuver in city traffic. So who is this scooter for? It's perfect for riders who want a premium, stylish, feature-loaded scooter with extra punch. If you want something easy to ride but still exciting, something practical but high-tech, something comfortable but aggressive, the NMax TURBO checks all the boxes. It's built for daily commutes, for highway runs, and for riders who want a scooter that doesn't feel like just a simple scooter but a sporty machine with attitude. In short, the 2026 Yamaha NMax TURBO 155 is one of the most advanced scooters Yamaha has made in this segment, and honestly, it feels ready to challenge even bigger scooters because of how refined and responsive it is. If you want a full comparison with the Aerox 155 or an in-depth performance breakdown, just tell me, I'll make that. Next, thanks for watching Smart Drive Hub. If you enjoyed this walk around, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more awesome content coming your way.